Good morning, B. I was up this morning looking around and thinking about your videos. I love all your videos, by the way. You do a fantastic job. I have to ask, how has HoverAir made a difference in your life since you've been introduced to it? Just wondering, I know it's made a big difference in the way you produce your videos.
Well, I have to say that before discovering HoverAir, I captured moments, but I never lived them fully.
Just another question, in what ways has using HoverAir impacted your daily life or adventures? I know it's made a big difference in the way you think about your videos and shoot things, and it does away with the need of a crew. But just in what ways has HoverAir impacted your daily lives or adventures?
Thanks to HoverAir, I can be in the moment and in the memory. It's like having a creative partner in my pocket.
And one more question. How's your experience with HoverAir changed the way you explore or create? I know it sure changed the way I do my videos and stuff like that. So just wondering, how has your experience with HoverAir changed the way you explore or create?
It has changed the way I travel, the way I share, and even the way I see the world. No need for tripods or strangers taking photos. I just launch it and magic happens. HoverAir hasn't just made a difference in my adventures. It's made me feel more free, more present, and more connected.